Hey guys, Adam Firmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're here with Lightpanels at the Vitech booth, and they're going to be showing off their Gemini 1x1.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
Hey Byron, tell us a little bit about the Gemini 1x1.
So the Gemini 1x1 is our latest introduction in the Gemini family. We started with the 2x1. 1x1 is about half the weight, but 60% of the output, so it's even brighter per square foot as the 2x1. Has all the bells and whistles of the 2x1 in a smaller shape, smaller form, much more portable. It'll go in a 1 foot square case, but it still has CCT mode, 3 color modes, so you can choose any hue in the spectrum, any saturation level and intensity level. You can also go to gel mode, so if somebody's familiar with a set of gels, they pick gel mode, pick the source as either daylight or tungsten, and then select through a variety of gels to get all the colors that you need out of the gel library. This also has special effects. So you can go select from emergency fire, fireworks, lightning, paparazzi, party lights. So whatever effect you want to put into your video, you can dial into the light, pick one. You also have customization of those effects. You can run faster, brighter, different colors. Essentially you can make a fire be anything from a candle to a bonfire, all with the same effect.
Very cool.
Also have a set of presets. So there's a set of standard presets, which just go Kelvin temperatures from 2700 to 6000. You can also dial up that Kelvin temperature to 10,000 K. And there's also user-definable presets. So if I wanted to go to a special effect, say a fire created a certain way, a certain intensity, I just hold down a button and it's saved as a preset, and I can save that for future use, including saving it to a USB stick, which allows you to rent lights, plug it in, bring your favorites to that set, or if I've got my favorite fires, my favorite lightning, whatever, save them to a USB, drop that in, and I can set that up. So it's very quick to set up.
Very cool. So what makes this light more compelling than other lights in its category?
3 things really. One is output per weight. Very lightweight for the amount of output you get. The second is customization. So you're able to really customize the effects in a more easy way than any way else. And the third is user interface. Very intuitive. You just dive in, save presets like you would your radio. So it's very easy and convenient to use.
Can it run off of V-Lock?
Absolutely. So we've got several options. You can do a dual V-Lock, a single V-Lock. There's also a stand mount V-Lock. It'll run at 90% of its output on a single battery, 100% on a dual battery bracket. Obviously also runs on a BCLX type block battery as well.
So how long can we expect to get out of one V-mount?
So this is a 200 watt fixture. So if you've got, we're showing over there a 240 watt hour battery. It'll go over an hour on that battery at full power.
Oh,
and that's a 100% intensity.
Very cool. And how much can we look to pay for one of these?
We're talking pounds or euros. Euros about 2,200 euros. Pounds about 1,900.
1,900 pounds. Very cool. And do you want to show off this interesting prototype?
Sure. So we'll dim it down. Go to a more normal setting here. So it's a soft light, so comes with variable diffusion. You can put a medium is what comes with it. You can choose a light or a heavy intensifier, or a diffuser, or an intensifier. This is a lens system that actually increases the output of the light by about 25%. You just pop off the diffuser, pop on the intensifier, and you got 25% higher output with a little narrower beam angle. The general beam angle on the diffuser is about 100 degrees. This will narrow it to about 80.
And we're expected to buy this as a kit?
This comes separately. You can also buy the diffusers separately. Comes with the medium diffuser to start with, and then you can buy whatever combination of diffusers or intensifier you want.
Very cool. Well, thanks a lot, Byron. Thanks for showing us that.
Great.
It's like the 12th one. Sorry, hold on. All right, guys, that was Lightpanels at the Vitech booth. We're going to continue walking around IBC 2019 to bring you some more coverage. Don't forget, we have a $5,000 giveaway. You can read more about that in the description below. For now, stay tuned. I'm Adam Frimmer, DIYPhotography.net.